Hello and welcome back to Simply at Home. Today is a most requested video by most of my family and friends. This is a beautiful looking geometric design or mandala art or blooming of petals is what I would like to call it in a symmetric form. So let's get going. I've taken a compass, a simple compass from a geometry box which most households have these days when children are growing and learning. So I've taken about 4.5 centimeters as radius and making this first circle. Where am I making this first circle is almost at the center of the page. You can fold the page into 4 halves to find the core or the center. The first circle is the most important circle because it is on that we are going to make multiple circles, which is going to give us this final touch and effect. So keep focusing. Once this first circle is formed, on the circumference of the first circle, any spot, you can start forming further circles. So as you can see here, as I'm showing, the end of the other circle, we're going to start the next radius of circles. So this is how a floral arrangement, first set of floral arrangement of 6 circles will continue to the same diameter. We're not changing the 4.5 centimeters on the compass. Now the next important thing is what I'm going to show you here. Between the 2 circles and this petal, we're going to find a center point. So on the center point, on the inner circle, we're going to make another circle. I repeat, we're finding the center space between 2 and making another circle, and on the edge of it we are going to do all these concentric circles only on the circumference of the first inner circle that we have created. And we're going to keep going on and on and on. First we saw about 6 petals. So as we keep going, I'm going to make it a little faster. Same circle on the circumference. We've got another set of petals now. We're going to make the center point there and make another concentric circle. So the patterns are going to get closer and closer as we make more such circles. So the important or the first circle is going to be the inner circle, and the outer circles are formed in concentric on the circumference of the inner circle. So we are going to continue as I'm showing. Identify each spot on the intersection of the inner circle and continue making further concentric circles. Finally, this is how it will look. Inner circle remains as I can see here, and the rest of it are just concentric circles on the circumference of the inner circle. Now, the next most important thing is to identify the closest petal to the center point. So to that petal, we are going to make a circle around it using the compass to give the perfect circle. The next is going to be the next petal ending. So from the center, identify the next petal ending and make another circle around it. We're going to keep layering this set of circle to every petal ending and make the final circle at its end. Now, this is how the structure looks like. It looks pretty complex. So these are the petal endings that you can see. At every petal ending, we just need to put the compass and pencil, take a little time, observe, and start drawing these circles. Now, the structure we have completed. Now is the important part. The next important part, I'm going to explain the coloring, to identify which area we're going to color to get this beautiful pattern image out. Like every day I look at this pattern, in different directions. It gives me different ideas and different ways in which those petals are coming onto my face, the way it blooms. So the most inner structure, I've used this color. Color combinations are completely your choice. So the inner circle that you get to see, near the circle space, we're going to give these dots as identifiers before we color, because there are too many circles for us to relate. At least for me, it will become very complex. So I've given dots on the points where it's near the ending of the circle that we just drew. So this will give a highlight of the petal which is on the inside. I repeat, near the circumference or the circle that we just created near every petal, if you see the next blue one also, near the ending of this circle that we have made, that is where I've made these dots where we're going to color. So that is going to give an emerging effect, and the rest of the lines that you get to see are the petals that we are lining off to do the coloring. So we keep going layer by layer by layer. I've taken two different colors because it's easier for me to relate. You can also select just one color if you're brave enough to do with one color without a mistake. Carry on, but I kind of chose these two colors, which gives me a very calming effect. I want to call it the art therapy in a very symmetric fashion. So you just need to carry on and on and on with the dots near the circumference of the every other concentric circle that we have made along the petals. As you can just see, the petals are clearly visible now. As to why we made those layers is to just help us do the coloring. So the pencil will not be seen, the pencil line will not be seen. If you really want to, you can also make thicker version of the pencils or the stencil effect. It was okay for me with the lighting. So carry on just coloring them away, have fun, and finally you will be amazed to see how beautiful this mandala art or the geographical pattern, or I want to call it the blooming petals, I was able to see a great deal of petals, from the tiniest of petal to the edge of it all. And when you see from the other angle, you will get to see as though a lotus blooming inside out. It's up to you as to how you look at it and observe and enjoy this art form. You can color them with pencils, you can paint them with a brush tip. I've used this, it's not a felt pen basically. This is called a brush pen, which I kind of gives a very painting effect. The choice is yours, the way you want to go ahead with this art form. Enjoy, have a wonderful morning, evening, afternoon, whenever. It gives amazing focus. It took about 2.5 hours for me to finish it finally. This is signing off, Ramya, Simply at Home.